Today we talk about how can you add field to location on your Shopify app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just go down here. You keep going down and you click here on custom data. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and here you click here on locations here. So then it's going to take you to next step here, and here come to add new fields to locations. You click here on add definition, so you click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Add here name, and here name space and k, then here descriptions, and here select type. Here if you want to enable or disable access. Then when you down, so you go down, click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.